Pun mo yang aku mu chairman jongka Shillong City District Congress Committee for the time being haduh bang dia eu Presiden buat kemai. Baru wilayah kami tak kasih bangin saya kendu yaki nongelam yaki parti wokas mo hagi blok baru hagi bahaba wokas Shillong City. Kata kali kawai mo kawangi keren tak kasih. On this issue also because as I saw in the media that the High Court has given a motto on this issue. Though I cannot comment anything. It is on the High Court.
No, in overall scenario, how do you look?
Yes, very good. Central thing will be far more better.
Some inquiry should be there.
Yes. I have not received any comply from the respective suspended MLAs.
So, what is the next course?
See, the next course is it is up to the ICC, because I think you understand that suspension does not lie with our power and jurisdiction. It is the jurisdiction of the ICC, so I think it depends up to the ICC. They have their own free will how to decide. So I cannot say anything right now. But the only thing is, it seems that they thought that Congress Party will not come to power in next 2023. But who knows? Because in dynamic politics, anything can happen. Because as of now, the only party to win in the good number in the next election, I think you will agree with me, NPP, Congress and UDP. I think TMC still take time people to support TMC. So I think we have no problem to, it depends on the number of the MDA government for initiate this boundary dispute with the government of Assam. But I cannot say anything right now, because the report recommended to the Home Ministry has not been kept to the public domain. It may be a minus point or maybe a plus point. It may be the advantage or it may be not the disadvantage. Then I cannot say anything right now. But I appreciate the government for initiating this issue. But at the same time, it should be in our favor, because we should not lose an inch of the Khasi State territory. We should not lose an inch of the jurisdiction of the United Khasi Jatiya District during the first principal 6th street. Is just concluded, where the meeting has been called urgently. It is because of the prevailing situation, especially in the Shillong City. As you all know, after the Congress Party has suspended 3 MLA from Shillong City, that is the East Shillong, the West Shillong. So it is the duty of our Shillong City District Congress Committee to convene a meeting to discuss the prevailing situation within the party. And in our discussion today, we had unanimously resolved that for the time being, as we have no full-fledged president in the Shillong City after suspension of Process Tisawmi, who is the Shillong City president, the committee unanimously resolved that myself, as the working president of the MPCC, will be the chairman of the Shillong City District Congress Committee till we complete the organization in all the block within the Shillong City, so that we will get a new president. Number 2, as there are few blocks which are not so organized. So we feel that it is the duty of the Shillong City District Congress Committee to reach out every block within the Shillong City. We had put the time frame that ending before the second week of the month of March, we will reach each and every block in the Shillong City, so that unanimously we will discuss how to strengthen, to revamp the party at the block level. That are the few decisions that are discussed today. So if you have anything, you can. That Mr. Balajit, MDC of Longpor, has given a support to the UDA coalition in the KHDC, which has not been discussed and decided within the Congress Parliamentary Party in the KHDC. So in this issue, I have nothing to say, because it has not been officially received by the PP leader of the CPP. So still, I think in the next CPP, we will discuss in the CPP of the district councils. Yes, we try our level best to prevent, not to run away from the party, to run away from the coalition. But that is our, we are only try how to prevent. But as you know, in this council, we have no anti-defection laws, we have no considered. So it is very difficult. I think, you know, even in the state government also, we cannot prevent them. So, but still, we try hard to see that they should not run away from the party. See, for us, see, MLAs, MDC are not the party. I think you understand. MLA and MDC, they are not the party. It doesn't mean that when MLAs and MDC run away, the party also supporter run away. No, that is very wrong. I would like to remind you that in each and every general election in the Legislative Assembly, not less than 30% of the present MLA, they lost in the election. They are defeated. So it does not mean that because the MLA join with any other party, they are sure to win in the election. No, wrong. Go by the records in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, not less than 30 or than 50%. They lost during the general election. So the point is, it depends on their quality, the potentiality, the competency of the candidates. So a big organization like our party, where we have a supporter at the grassroots level, we have no problem to get a very good qualified competence aspirant. But the only thing which is very challenging for us is we should strengthen the party at the grassroots. I mean at the primary unit level, at the polling booth level, at the block level. That is very important challenging for us.
Tadi dalam Shillong City Congress Committee hadir ba nakliang jong da Shillong City language ki yamani jongi ki rasa suspend hadir bagi pan I support ya government di nakliang jongi kuka Shillong City ngina khot ya kani ke emergency meeting ke bekat ke ban pen pha ban pen klan ban pen wan dor biang sai hisin wat kham tam lor bala suspend president jongi iba PT sau kami te kumtang ila khot kia kani ka meeting ka bakar ki panyepen bet igini ke baro te hakani ka meeting ina shim ka tu kani teli ki rai ka ba kumnu ban klan te ka we ka ba ina shim ka long bangi I working president ila thungi I kum chairman ban pnya chipor ya kani ka Shillong City jongi hadien ba I president ila sya suspension mynta naka party tinggal thung ya I working president we long chairman bat nyat ya ka jelang jong Shillong City ya mynta sipor haduh bangin yo pat do president buat mai jong Shillong City te kabar kalong ba kiladon katu kani gi block haka Shillong City ya ka bangi haban pet klan bat ya ka bangin haban thung ya ki president te shibun kila ya ai jingmut bat shibun ki layawan bat attend ya kani meeting na kiliang ki block baper te ni so komen shibun bah ka jing ai jingmut jong ki kalong ba ki babun hi ki dekat ki nong kit kam ki nang don andai ka don kam stang ya ka bangin pet klan ya ki ban penwandur ya kerkom tri kam ha ki block baper te ni so komen shibun bah kani ka meeting ilayo ya ka ban perkhat ya kita ke baro te sakoi pat ka benta ka ba ngidon kam ba inya nang ni shkhmat ka long ba nginyo ya ka ba pensno shaki pat ba jong ka jalahi baro ka we ba ka parti kongresi kanang klan haduh menta ban ngismo thu ba dada kidon kini ke jingja ki jingmi jong ki MLA ke jingmi jong ki we pat ki khot re haduh menta hi habangiya charum chane bat habangi nang ba ki briew ki bakran kalong bai ka parti kongres hi kenang I haduh menta bat kenang klan haduh menta hi bat ki briew ki babun kinang don ka jing I ya ka parti kongres haduh menta